Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last Wednesday was Wacky Wednesday, where you, the subscribers, suggest 3 totally unrelated items, crafty or not, and you challenge me to come up with some kind of cute and functional home decor item using those 3 items. Now this is also a way for me to give a little shout out to my loyal subscribers. So last time, Artemystik suggested I use a cardboard box, some buttons, and a loofah or bath sponge. Sounds tricky. So if you missed that video and want to see how I made it with those 3 items, click on the link above. Now speaking of giving shout outs, I have a lot of amazing subscribers and I just want to take time out to say thank you to all of them. I wouldn't be where I am today without you. I was having a hard time thinking about what craft to do this week, and I was watching a video by one of my favorite subscribers, the Moody Artist, and she was talking about trying something new. Since we're all trapped here at home, trying to find different things to entertain ourselves, she suggested trying something you had never done before, whether you're an artist trying a different medium, or reading a different genre of book maybe, or writing something that you've never written before, or just trying something completely new. So I thought, maybe I could do that. So as you know, my craft room mom cave is chock full of supplies, but I was trying to think of something different that I could try. So last year, actually, I had gone on a little spree and I bought a needle felting kit from Amazon. I had seen a couple of videos on YouTube about it and I thought that looks really cool, I should try that. So I went and ordered the kit and got it and put it in one of the drawers, and there it sat. So I thought I'm going to dig that out and teach myself how to do some needle felting. So I didn't really quite know where to begin. So again, I started looking on YouTube, found some videos, and I made a cute little project. Now be kind when you watch it because this is my first time doing it. But I also thought, there's a lot of smaller channels that are just starting out that are still amazing artists and amazing crafters. So during this video, I am going to shout out to 5 different needle felting channels that are just starting out. So if you could go visit them and give them some love, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to put links to their channels below as well. They will pop up in the video as well. So if you're ready to see how I made out trying something new, let's get started. So when I first opened up my package, I found a whole bunch of little bags of wool. And at first I thought, wow, there's not much in here. But once you opened it up, there's actually quite a bit of wool in here. And it's special wool for needle felting. There was also a variety of needles in different sizes. And they all have like little barbs on the end of them that when you poke them down into the wool, it kind of grabs it and mats it together and makes it into a piece of felt. There's also this one without a barb that was to pry up your finished piece off of the foam underneath. There's also some little guards for your fingers so that you don't poke yourself with the sharp needle. And the holder for the needles, I was not overly impressed with this one from Amazon because it was supposed to fit into the little slot, but the slot was kind of a little bit too small. So I might have to get my hubby to look at that and see if he can fix it. There's also this piece of sponge or styrofoam to protect your work surface. Now again, if you want to see more details on descriptions on how to use the tools or different techniques, please check out the variety of channels that will pop up during this video. So I was going to start with a white bunny, and because the wool I'm using is white, I decided to use the black sponge just so it would show up a little bit better. Now I put my finger protector on in the beginning just because I wasn't really sure what I was doing, but later on I took the finger protector off and just kind of slowed down because it was a little bit cumbersome. But basically you take out a chunk of wool and you roll it into the shape that you want and you poke it up and down with the needle until you get a desired thickness and flatness of the piece. If you're making the body, then we just roll it into a ball and gently add more yarn to it to make it as big or as small as you like. Now again, I am not an expert, so I'm just going to let you watch what I was doing. I made 4 little Easter shapes. I ended up making a bunny, an Easter chickie, an Easter egg, and a flower. If you would like to learn more detailed technique, please check out the channels that will pop up above, and I will also link in the description box to their channels. Have fun, and let me know at the end how you think I made out.